Hey everyone, okay, so the best blushes of 2019. Let's make a start. We'll start with this one first, since it's the first one that's right in front of me. Now, I'm not a massive fan. Actually, that's a lie. I am a fan of Pat McGrath products. I just hate the fact that you get nothing. It bothers me. I think when you're paying that price point, you should get more product. But the products are really good. In fact, I know they're very good because I know where they're made. Some of my stuff is made there too that's coming. But here we go. So this is the blusher palette from, the highlighter palette, Silly Boy from Pat McGrath. They're lovely, lovely, lovely. You know, really lovely. Hate the cardboard packaging, but the product itself is stunning. Jouer do a lot of highlighters. They're so good. Now, I'm just gonna dim these bloody lights a bit. Honestly. But these highlighters are absolutely beautiful. There's a whole host of collection. They are so creamy and dreamy and they're just heavenly. Now, if this is still available, I bought like 8 of them just in case. This is the Glowgasm palettes by Charlotte Tilbury. They are lovely. Look at that. Technically highlighters with a bronzer, just gorgeous. Now, 2 from Hourglass. The first one technically is a highlighter, but it's really not. It is, of course, the Ambient lighting powder, the most subtle of highlighters, and can be used as a pressed powder, which I don't recommend, way too shiny. And then you've got the Strobe Ambient lighting powders, which are much more shimmery. But again, they're very subtle compared to a lot of the other highlighters on the market, which is why I love them. Now, Rodial do some beautiful highlighters. This is no exception here. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous highlighter. That shade is called Highlighter. So, beautiful. This one is really beautiful. It's so creamy. This is Dose of Colors, and it is an incredibly gorgeous shade. It is so pretty, and really, really creamy. Natasha Denona, look how gold that is. Now, all of these can be used as eyeshadows as well, so don't be freaking out. You can use them everywhere. Cover your body in it. Please don't. This is a true gold and it is so beautiful. Horrible on light skin tones, but if you've got darker skin tone, go for it. Now, another one by Charlotte Tilbury here called Magic Star Highlighter. Again, a gold, which means in my book, it's really not the best highlighter for very fair skin tones, but as you move up the spectrum, you got it covered. Beautiful. Now, nothing would be complete without talking about Beccas, except that's not a bloody highlighter. Look at that. I picked up the wrong one. Stupid boy. Stupid. But all Beccas highlighters are stunning. Now, this one here, Makeup Forever, really, really beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, so pretty. Completely kind of iridescent-y on the skin without any form of glitter. Just sparkles in the daylight like a dream. Anastasia Beverly Hills loose highlighters. They are lovely, truly lovely, so glittery I can't see how much product's in it. Let me see, I cannot see. But it's good. If you've got a lot of money to spend and you really want to go for something which is a highlighter, but it's a pressed powder, but it's more of a brightening powder, but I'm including it anyway. This bloody light in here is so strong. Oh, let me just dim it once more. Oh, very close up. So, well, that made a really big difference, didn't it? So, this is by Terry, and it is truly lovely. The subtlest of everything I've ever mentioned, but truly worth it if you like that kind of stuff. And this I love called Water Brats, and this is by, you know who it's by, Fenty. Lovely, lovely. Look at that. Can be a blusher, just bloody marvelously, gorgeously delicious. And there you go. That is my favorite highlighters of 2019. Let me know what yours are, and all the information and the links are in the description bar. See you next time. Bye-bye.